you ever heard of an herb called Teasel? It is a wonderful herb that not many know about. It is a biennial herb. That means it grows for 2 years. During the first year, they have green leaves with a spine down the center, and then the second year it will shoot up with flowers that look like they have spikes on them. The root is the medicine, and it is best to harvest the root in the fall of the first year or the spring of the second year of growth. Teasel root is absolutely amazing for 2 things: nerve pain and Lyme's disease. It has even been used on patients with multiple sclerosis. A lot of people have nerve pain nowadays, and what better way to help calm those nerves than with natural herbs? If you don't want to grow Teasel, you can always purchase it online. The absolute best place to purchase the dried root powder or already pre-made tincture is from the homegrown herbalist. Here is the link. I will also put it in the description. I am an affiliate with them, so if you use this link, it will help me out. Even if I wasn't an affiliate, I would still be recommending purchasing this from the homegrown herbalist. They know how to harvest the herbs correctly, dry the herbs at the correct temperature, and store the herbs properly. I highly recommend them. We here at S.H.T.F. Survival Homestead Teaching Farm appreciate you watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.